Welcome to Secret 3 Types of Verification. And there are lots of topics that you can see that we would be covering in this chapter, Secret 3. So I would request your complete focus and attention as I take you through the different types of verification. The topics that you would be covering in Secret 3 are identity and basic checks, address verification, employment and career check, education check, financial and income check, legal and criminal check, document and fraud check, digital and advanced check, reference and social check, special verification, advanced verification, risk check, final risk analysis, India BGV, the complete component checklist and pricing strategy, global BGV, complete component checklist and pricing strategy. And like I said before, if you are a business owner, an HR professional, a student who would like to enhance your career and know more about BGV and its functions, this is a very, very important chapter for you, where you'll be able to connect yourself to the components of the types of verification very clearly. So, importance of complete BGV checklist. Neil explained a complete BGV checklist is the backbone of safe hiring. Every company wants good employees, of course, when they hire a candidate. But without proper verification, hiring becomes so risky. A resume and interview only show what a candidate says at that point in time. BGV checks show what is actually true and legit. In today's world, fraud cases are rapidly increasing. Many candidates use fake documents, wrong information, and false identity to get the job. If a company skips even one verification steps, a lot of risks can happen later on. BGV checklist helps companies to confirm real identity of the candidate, verify their education and experience, check their financial and criminal records, and most importantly, detection of the fraud before hiring. This protects business from the hidden risks that are present. Different industries need strong and powerful BGV. IT companies need BGV for data security, banking for financial safety, logistics for trust and reliability, and real estate for tenant safety. Without the BGV, companies may hire the wrong person, and of course, as we had mentioned in the last chapters and secrets, this can lead to reputation damage, data loss, and financial instability. A complete checklist means complete protection from fraudulence. Verification is not a cost, it is a business safety system, and it applies to all the HR professionals and business professionals and company owners that are listening to me at the moment. Now, let us begin one by one with steady approach. Importance of identity and basic check. Identity check is the first and the most important step in this process before hiring any person. Aadhaar, PAN card, voter's ID, all these verification documents are very important because it confirms your identity and proves to the company that the candidate is real and genuine. This check reduces fraudulence and hiring risk. It is widely used in IT companies as well for data security, in banking sector for financial safety, and in real estate for tenant verification. Without identity verification, companies may face a lot of data loss, financial instability, and other such related issues. Always verify identity before giving the job or hiring a candidate. What is Aadhaar verification? Aadhaar verification is the process of checking whether a person's Aadhaar card and the details are real or not. And that can be done using OTP verification on the UIDAI official post and portal, where OTP is sent to the registered mobile number. Another method is Aadhaar XML, or offline verification, where the candidates share a secured file with basic details like name, date of birth, and address. BGV companies also use API-used verification through authorized partners for smoother and quick results. This helps to confirm the identity and reduce fraudulence at a greater level. Always verify Aadhaar before giving access, job, or responsibility to an employee. As I mentioned, that this particular Secret 3 is a lengthy chapter, but you have to focus your attention on this particular verification, which is so important for new students and pass-outs from universities who are trying to apply for a job. They must know how, where, and when are the processes that they would verify their Aadhaar card. PAN verification. PAN verification is the process of checking whether a person's personal account number details are real and valid or not. It can be done through the official portals of the Income Tax Department of India and NSDL for that matter. In this process, the PAN number is verified with the person's name and status, active or inactive. BGV companies also used API-based verification for fast and accurate results. PAN verification helps to confirm financial identity and to detect fake profiles and reduce the fraudulence risk. It is very important for jobs related to finance and banking to use this sort of verification, where trust and financial transparencies are very important. So always verify PAN details before handling job roles and responsibilities to new candidates. Passport verification. Now, passport verification is the process of checking whether all the details in the passport are correct or not. It can be done through the official Passport Seva portal or by the Ministry of External Affairs. In this process, the passport number, name, date of issue, and expiry date are verified. BGV companies also use API-based checks for faster and more true specific results. Passport verification helps to confirm strong and correct identity, especially for international jobs and roles. It reduces fraudulence risk and ensures that the candidate has valid government-issued identity proof before hiring or giving global access. Always verify passport details before assigning international job roles for a new candidate. Moving on to the next verification, which is the voter ID check. Voter ID verification is the process of checking whether a person's voter's ID card has all the true information which is correct and validated or not. What is the method? A very easy 4-step method is to be followed for this verification. Step 1, visit the official portal. Step 2, enter the voter ID number. Number 3, check the name, age, and the details of your address. Step 4, match details with the candidate's documents. And BGV agencies also use this API, and database checks for a faster and accurate verification. What is the importance of voters ID verification? Now, voters ID helps confirm local identity and address, where the person is currently living in the present city. It reduces the risks of fake identity and supports safe hiring, especially for tenant verification and people that have field jobs. So, always verify voters ID before offering job to a new hire. Now, consent data privacy compliance. A very strong background verification system includes many checks to ensure accuracy and validation. Source verification confirms details directly from company, HR, or the banks. Digital tools like APIs and OCR helps to detect fake and fraud documents. Reference checks validates candidates' behavior and past professional history. Timeline mismatch and metadata analysis reveal hidden discrepancies and inconsistencies that might arise. Social media cross-check adds extra validation to all the other validations that has already been done. Finally, risk scoring helps to make smart and safe hiring decisions. As of now, you got to know about the basic standard information about the background verification process. If you would like to know more and advanced information, then there are 3 ways to learn that advanced information. Number 1, you can either buy the book, which is the self-learning. Number 2, you can either buy the book plus the recorded video course, or there is another option, which is the book, recorded course, and live industry expert solutions, case study based approach. Any of these 3 methods, enroll today or click on the link given below.